Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. I hope everybody is doing spectacular today. I am doing absolutely wonderful. So I don't know if you saw my last giveaway video where I said that I probably wouldn't have too many more. I was still going to do giveaways, but I was going to focus more on yarn content and tutorials, which I am. But when a yarn company sends me free yarn, I give it away. I don't keep it, because I'm not sponsored by any yarn company, and I choose for it to be that way. It's not like I haven't been asked. I just don't want to be sponsored. Not at the moment. Probably never. But anyways, I'm doing just cool by myself right now. But anyways, Little Knits. I love Little Knits. If you do not know, I have many unboxings from Little Knits. They are so cool. They're one of my favorite small yarn companies within the United States you can buy from. They got killer deals on high-end yarns. I highly recommend them. Well, they messaged me and asked if it'd be okay if they sent some yarn, and I said that I would use it for a giveaway and say that they sponsored it. So this yarn has come from Little Knits, so it is sponsored by Little Knits. I didn't buy it. They sent it to me, and I'm giving it away. Compliments of Little Knits. So let's say a big thank you to Little Knits, because they are awesome. I love them. Hey, I hit up their Noel sale the other day. I'll show you when it comes in. Okay. Oops. Anyways, so it's a bag of all different yarns. Some of these yarns I have not ever seen. This is me getting antsy and giddy because I want to see the yarn and I want to touch a yarn. Some of it is yarns that I have here and I already know what they feel like. I hope it's okay to open the bag and show you, because I got to open the bag and show you, because if I don't open the bag and show you, I'll spend the rest of my life wondering what some of this yarn feels like. I have to. Now, there's not like tons here. It's not a huge giveaway, but there are some very nice, expensive hanks of yarn here. Very good branded yarns. Some yarns that I've never even heard of. Let's look. Now, first off, though, I do encourage you, please watch this video from start to finish. That means so much to me, start to finish, and not in 2 times speed. If you can do it in like normal speed, that would be awesome. But if it's only 2 times, I'll take that too. I'm not going to complain. And I will have something specific, I think, or particular, that I want you to say in the comment section in order to be enter into this giveaway. And please read the rules in the description box as well. And okay, let's open this up. I'm tired of talking. And remember, if there's someone in the comments with my picture and my YouTube name saying, hey, you won this giveaway, that's not me. Okay, they steal my pictures, they steal my YouTube name, they make up their own YouTube channel called Bagoday Crochet or something else with my picture. It's not me. I don't comment on giveaway videos, and that's not how you win. I don't say, hey, you won in the comments. So just ignore them or report them as spam. All right, here we go. So this is a yarn that I've never heard of. Jody Long Summer Delight Organic. Ooh, so it's got to be a cotton. Let's see. 90% organic cotton, 10% cashmere. It's orangey. I'm orangey today. Orangey. Well, my watch is red, I guess. But anyways, this is 200. Oh, this is made by Knitting Fever. Okay, I've heard of them. Okay, this is 90% organic cotton, 10% cashmere. Made in Turkey, 250 meters or 273 yards. Color I have here is called Tangerine. Nice, and I would give that a good between a 3 to 4 weight. So you will get that. You're gonna wonder what you can do with just one hank of yarn. Well, you can do a lot of stuff with one hank of yarn. One hank wonders is what I call them. This would make a hat. Beautiful summer bucket hat or something, and I have tutorials on that as well. Bucket hats, mini, other summer hats, mini, and some even with wire rings. A couple of those too. Don't forget to check them out. Yes, that would probably be something I would do with it. A nice lightweight cowl for when it's cool in the spring. You know, just stuff like that. Smaller projects that you could use. A small bag or something like that. Okay, I'm going to move on. This is Queenland's Coastal Cotton. Pure soft cotton. Okay, so it's 100% cotton, 185 yards, 170 meters, medium weight number 4. Medium weight number 4. Now this is a cotton. I'd probably use it for wash rags, or dish rags, dish towels, something like that. I don't think I would use it as a wearable myself. It looks like it's going to peel. So, but that would be what I would use that for. Nice. Still nice yarn though. It's a good brand. Queenland's Dungarees tweed, spun from recycled jeans. Now that is super cool. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Interesting. It's so cool. Now this is a number 1 weight. I can't handle a number 1 weight, but I know some people can. Yes. So that is that. Super cool. 437 yards. I don't know what 437 yards will get you in a 1 weight, because I don't use 1 weights. I'm not a 1 weight type of person, but it's still very pretty. It's neat. All this yarn smells clean. That's cool, man. Wish it was a 4 weight. I wish it was a 4. Okay, this is called Queenland's Dungarees. Oh, it's the same thing. Is this a 4 weight? Is this a 4 weight? This is a 3 weight. So this is the same, but it's a 3 weight. Only it's not the tweed. It's a solid color. So, well, it looks like it might have some, well, it's recycled, so it's got some little flecks of recycled stuff in it. But, yeah, that's a good 3 weight. So you get that too as well. Isn't this so much fun? Okay, Juniper Moon. Juniper Moon. I love Juniper Moon. I have lots of Juniper Moon. I rarely ever give away any of my Juniper Moon Farms yarn, but I do sometimes. So Juniper Moon Farms, this is the damask. It's a hand-painted pure linen, 100% linen, a lightweight number 3. It's chain spun, and it's super cool. I love Juniper Moon. Yeah, that's a lightweight 3. Chain spun, lightweight 3 probably. That is pretty. 328 yards. The colors in that one. I love those grays and pinks together. Gorgeous. Juniper Moon is a nice brand of yarn. It's quite expensive, I might add. Queenland's is pretty good too, but Juniper Moon, this one is nice. I have this here, and I really, really like it. And this is called Juniper Moon Farms Cumulus. It's Mako Cotton. It's 95% or 94% Mako Cotton and 6% nylon, and it's a medium weight number 4. Now, I like Mako Cotton. Now, it is chain spun. It's a chain spun yarn. You can see that's a thick 4. Mako Cotton, I like it a lot. Mako Cotton has the feel of like microfiber. It's very soft, but it's different than Pima Cotton, which is also very soft. So Pima Cotton is very, very soft. I use it a lot when I make dresses for my daughter, and tops. It's great for tops. Pima. Now this is Mako. It's also very, very nice for tops and dresses too, but they have different feels. Pima is like soft, and Mako is very soft too, but a different type of soft, like microfibery soft. I can't explain it, but if you win, you'll feel it and you'll know what I'm talking about. It's super soft. I mean, very soft. Smells clean. That's a pretty yarn. Like I said, I do have this here. I have it in a pink and a green, and not too many colors I'd like to mention. But yes, it's very, very nice yarn. I might be the number 1 of the bunch, but I don't know. Okay, we got this one again. This is called Jody Long Chow, extra fine merino super wash, made in Italy. 115 yards. Yeah, that's nice. You know, it feels like a merino. It's about a 4 weight. Smells clean. It's a pretty color. What would I do with this if I had 115 yards of it? Play your cards right. You know what? Play your cards right. When I say play your cards right, I didn't mean play your stitches right. I always just say cards. Deal your cards right. Don't play your stitches right. You could possibly get just a basic beanie out of that, or you could get a thin cowl out of that. Headband definitely out of that. You can mix it with other yarns if you want to make squares out of it and make an all different scrap blanket like that. You know, that's something you could do. Okay, this is Queenland. If you're new to my channel, I can't pronounce anything. That's that one. Okay, so again, this is chain spun. Super cool looking. Never seen this one before. Colorful cotton blend, 190 yards of 60 cotton, 40 acrylic, medium weight number 4. Now this is chain spun. Look at the way it's spun though. It's chain spun. That's a thick 4. It's got different colors of chain spun in it. That is awesome. So this one's got like a red. They're solid though. They're solid. They're spun together. It's not like 3 separate pieces. And two chains of blue and a red through it. You look at that one, see that? And this one is 2 chains of yellow with a gray through it. But like I said, they're not separate. They're all together. That's super cool yarn. I like that. I've never seen, I don't know if I've ever seen them chain spun different colors. Well, probably, but none I can think of at the moment. Feels fine, feels fine. This one is the Queenland's Dungaree paints. So this is like these, only in ball form. So it's spun from recycled jeans, 339 yards of 95% cotton, 5% other fibers. Now this is a sport weight number 2, nothing I would be able to use. But I love it. The color is very springy, summery. See that? There's your 2 weight. Perfect too. I like that. That's pretty. Remember, it is recycled jeans. Nice. Okay, I got one more here. This is Queenland's Brighton Beach Premium Cotton Linen Blend. Premium Cotton Linen. 328 yards of a linen cotton acrylic blend, and it is a number 2 weight. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. So, number 2, huh? Number 2, hey, let's look at this stuff. It appears to have a strand and then wrapped around a strand of roving, if you look at that closely. It's kind of a thicker 2, but since it does have that roving in it, roving goes from thick to thin, so it probably hits a 2 at some spots and might even bump up to a 4 at others. That's the nature of the roving. That's just the way it roves. Instead of the way it goes, that's just the way it roves. Ignore me. Anyways, see that how it's got that one strand of roving, and then wrapped around it is like a 1 or 0 weight yarn thread type of stuff. That's pretty yarn. It is pretty. I like it. So that's what you win. That's some nice yarns here. You got 1, 2. Remember, you can always find a use for all this stuff. If you can't make a hat out of it, you can make a small cowl out of some of it, or you can make squares out of some of them and sew them together. Make a project, scrap project. It's just ain't nothing wrong with odds and ends. They're brand new balls of yarn, and they are high-end yarns. So we got these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we got 5, and we got our hanks, 6, 7, 8, 9, and my favorite of the bunch, number 10, is the Juniper Moon Farms Cumulus. I like the Cumulus a lot. Like I said, I have more here than I'd like to mention. Okay, so you got 10 balls there. I know that's not huge. It's not big. It's not big. But that's fine. I am super happy that Little Knits did send this, and that they are in those giveaways from Little Knits. I didn't pay for this. They sent it, so I'm going to give it away to one of my subscribers. So what you have to do to enter, you got to be subscribed to Bagoday Crochet. I need to have you subscribe, so hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my tutorials or any of my yarn content. I love to do both of those. And also, you need to give this video a thumbs up, please, and tell all your friends, co-workers, neighbors. Shout out from the rooftops at your local grocery store or department store to subscribe to Bagoday Crochet. Yeah, that's what you need to do. And then you need to leave a comment in the comment section of this video. Now this, if you read the rules, it'll go over when it begins and when it ends. It's going to end on the 27th of March. Now if you watch my videos before, you know I will draw at random one winner in front of everybody. I do a separate video, so make sure you watch out for that video. Again, read the description box for when that video will be. It'll be on the 27th after 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. So who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? You know what? I'm gonna throw in one more thing. This one wasn't sponsored by Little Knits, but I'm gonna give you this Lion Brand bag here to keep it in. How about that? So this is Little Knits sponsored giveaway with the Lion Brand bag that I bought too many of, and now I put them in giveaway. There you go. That's a little nice yarn little collection. I like it. I think whoever wins is going to be happy to try out all of them cool yarns. So, I need you to leave a comment in the comment section below. I do not care what you say, as long as it's nice and you're not mean to me. All I want you to say is anything that you want. I just want you to tell Little Knits, thank you so much for sponsoring, or thank you for sponsoring this giveaway, or thank you for all your great yarn and all your yarn deals. No, I don't care. You know, just tell Little Knits thanks. You know, for that's all you got to do, and whatever else you want to say, because I know that they would appreciate. I appreciate them sending that to have a giveaway. It means a lot to me that they did that, and yeah, just give them a thank you, and I will see you guys on my next video. Remember, don't forget to read the rules in the description box, please. I'm sorry I'm talking so much. It's just one of those days. Hey, I'm going to answer a question everybody asks me all the time. Why do I wear 2 watches? Why do I wear 2 watches? You can go if you want. Sometimes I wear 6. I don't know why. It's the same reason people wear multiple bracelets. Because I like watches. And I have an abundance of watches. There you go. I know everybody's going to ask that, because everybody asks me that all the time. So I'm going to go. I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to read the rules in the description box, and it'll go everything you need to know to win this giveaway sponsored by Little Knits. There's some nice yarn up in there. Alright? See you guys later, alright? Take care. Bye, guys.